Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Infinix and going straight to Settings. This saves time. Next, find the app responsible for text recognition, usually Camera, Gallery, or Google Lens, because disabling the feature there stops OCR globally. Tap Apps or App Management, then select the suspected app. You do this because turning off a feature inside the correct app prevents reactivation from other services. Once done, check Permissions and in App Settings to find the text recognition toggle or OCR option. Now dive into the app's internal settings or its app info page. This is where the actual OCR toggle usually lives. Look for labels like Text Recognition, Scan Text, or Read Text and switch the toggle off. That stops future automatic scans. If you don't see a toggle, revoke permissions tied to recognition, camera, storage, or any special recognition permission. You do this because permission removal prevents the app from accessing data needed to perform OCR. Make sure to confirm changes and exit cleanly. Finish by forcing the app to stop or reboot your Infinix so system services reload without the OCR enabled. This ensures the change takes effect. If text recognition still appears, clear the app cache or data and then restart the phone. As a last resort, uninstall app updates or reset app defaults to restore original behavior. Troubleshooting tip. If OCR persists after all steps, check for a separate system-level smart scan or accessibility service and disable it, because some OCR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.